Good morning. Chapter Linear Inequalities, Exercise 6.3, question number 5. The question is, solve graphically 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. Solve graphically 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. X minus 2y less than minus 1. Okay? 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. So, solution, consider Consider 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay? Now, 2x minus y equal to 1. So, find its points where the line passing through. So, make a table xy. Because minus sign is there and 2x minus y equal to 1. So, you can write x by 1 by 2. Okay. So, better you find its points. X, y. So, take any point and this equation you can write y equal to 2x minus 1. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
We can write y equal to 2x minus 1. Then take the point first.
Yes,
You
sir.
can take x equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Now another point. Take
Sir, x is equal to 1.
So x is equals to 1 by 2.
So if x is 1, okay, 2 into 1, 2. Then 2 minus 1, y also 1,
So 0.
Yes, sir.
y also 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 minus 1, 1. Now take another point. Take 3 points. X equal to 3 you can take. Okay. X equal to 3. Then 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5.
5.
Y equal to 5. Okay. So 3 points are 0, minus 1, 1, 1 and 3, 5. Therefore, points are 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 3, 5. X3, Y5. Okay. These 3 points. Now second equation, x minus 2y equal to minus 1. X minus 2y equal to, take equal sign, consider. So x minus 2y equal to minus 1. Okay. So x equal to
2y minus 1.
2y minus 1. Okay. Now find the points. So x, y, take x, y equal to take 0,
Sir, 0.
y
Sir, x is equal to minus 1.
x equal to minus 1. Now another point. Y
Sir,
equal to
sir, x is equal
So x is 1, y
Sir,
is 1.
y equal to, first you have to take y equal to 2.
yes, sir.
2, take y equal to 2, then 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1, 3.
Sir, 3. Sir, y is equal to 3.
So 3.
So,
Sir,
no.
y will be 2 and x will be 3.
Okay. So y we are taking 2, no? So y equal to 2,
Yes, sir. Sir, x is equal to 3.
y equal to 2. Then 4 minus 1, x equal to 3. Okay?
3.
And first one we are taking y equal to, y is 0 we are taking. First one, y is minus 1. Then x equal to, if you take y equal to 0, then x equal to,
Then, sir, x equal to minus 1.
Minus 3.
okay. So change this. So first point is y equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Okay. Second point is we are taking y equal to 0.
Sir, y is equal to 1.
Y equal to
Sir,
0.
1.
Y 0. Then x equal to
Yes, sir.
minus 1. Okay.
Minus 1.
Then another point. Another point.
Sir, y equals to 1. Sir,
y is equals to 1,
x is
then it
equal to
will be 2
1.
minus 1, 1.
Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. So both are 1, no? 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
therefore the points are, so first one is x equal to 3 and y 2. No? So 3 comma 2. Okay?
3, 2.
Then minus 1 comma 0. And
1, 1.
Okay. Now draw x-axis, y-axis. Now draw x-axis, y-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. So this is x. This is x dash negative side. The origin O, intersection point. And this is y, and y dashed. Okay. So now for first line, points are 0 minus 1. First point, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. Here like this. Okay, draw this. Now plot the points. 0
Yes,
minus
sir.
1, 0 minus 1, first point. Okay. Then second point is 1, 1. x1, y1, like this. 1, 1. Then 3, 5, x3, y5. Like this, 3, then y5. Okay. So line will be
Yes, sir.
This straight line, first one, okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now second line, x3 comma 2 and first point 3 comma 2, 3 2, then minus 1 0. So this is minus 1 0, this point, minus 1 x minus 1, and this point is 0 y minus 1, y minus 1. This point is 0 comma x0 y minus 1. So x0 y minus 1, and this point is minus 1 comma 0. Okay, so x0 y minus 1, actually this is the point, this is the point, okay? And so first line for this minus 1 comma 0, second line, this is the second line, minus 1 comma 0, then 1 1, then 3 2. Okay, this is the second line, and first line is 0 comma minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1 is this point, 0 comma minus 1, then 1 1 and 3 5, 1 1 and 3 5. Okay, 3 5 like this. Now this type line will come. See. Okay, you got?
Yes, sir.
This type lines, two
Yes,
lines.
sir.
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now find their direction. So for first line, 2x minus y equal to 1. So 2x minus y greater than 1. 2x minus y greater than 1. So putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, then 0 greater than 1.
Sir, 0 greater than 1, which is false.
It is false. So it is false. So direction is away from the origin. No.
Away from the origin.
Yes.
Away from the origin.
Okay. So that means this side. This side. Okay. See. This is the direction. Okay. Now another
Yes,
equation.
sir.
Another equation is
Sir, x minus 2y less than minus 1.
x
X minus 2y less than
minus 1. Okay. So putting 0 0.
Sir, it is equal to 0. Sir, 0 less than
So
minus
0
1, which
less
is
than
false.
minus 1, which is
Sir, 0
false.
less than minus 1, which is
So it is
false.
away from the origin.
Yes. This is also false. Okay. So this line also false. So this side, this line, this is the line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here. Now see common part. This is the common part.
Yes,
No?
sir. Clear.
This is the common part.
Yes, sir.
Head with pencil. Okay. Now write last line. Every point.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. And write last line. Every point. On the shaded region,
Every point in the shaded region represents solution of the given inequalities.
yes. Okay, then all the points of this region is the solution of the given inequalities. Okay. Next question
Yes,
number
sir.
6. Okay, next question number 6. Question number 6 is x plus y less than equal to 6 and x plus y greater than equal to 4. Greater than equal to 4. So first line is x plus y less than equal to 6 and second line x plus y greater than equal to 4. Okay, these two lines. Now solve graphically. Consider equal sign. Take equal sign, so x plus y equal to 6. So then we can write x by 6 plus
Plus y by 6 is equal
Y
to
by
1.
6 by 6, 1.
equal to 1. Okay, and another line x plus y
X by 4 plus y by 4 is
Then
equal to 1.
2 by 4. X by 4 plus y by 4 equals to 1.
4 equal to 1. Okay, now draw x axis, y axis. Draw x axis, y axis. This is x dash, O origin, y dash. Okay, so first x6, y6, both are 6. Okay, suppose this is 6 and this is also 6. Now join these 2 points. 6. Okay, so this is x plus y equal to 6, then 4, x4, y4. Suppose this is 4 and this is also 4, x4, y4. Join these 2 points. Okay, so this line is, this is x plus y equal to 6 and this one x plus y equal to 4. Okay, now find the direction. Drawn both the lines. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now find the direction. The first one is x plus y less than equal to 6. Now x plus y less than equal to 6. So putting 0 0 x 0 y 0 0 plus 0 0 less than equal to 6.
So 0 less than equal to
0 less
6,
than
which
6,
is
which is
true.
true.
So it will lie on the origin.
Sir, it will go towards the origin.
It will the origin.
So towards the origin.
Sir, it will be towards the origin.
This side no? Towards the origin?
Yes, sir.
Okay? This side? Now x plus y greater than equal to 4. X plus y greater than equal to 4. So 0 greater than equal to 4. X plus y
0 greater than equal to 4, which false.
False statement. Okay. So direction
Away
is-
from the origin.
Yes. So this is the line. So this side now direction. See.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now common part. This is the common part now. This. Where both the lines
Yes, sir.
are going. This is the common part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shade it with pencil. And this is the solution
Sir,
set.
done.
This is the solution set.
Completed.
Okay. Now write
Yes,
at last.
sir.
Right? Every
Sir,
point.
every point on the shaded region represent the given
Sir,
inequality.
written.
Okay, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number
Yes,
7.
sir.
7 number 2. 2x plus y. 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. 8. And another equation, x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. So 2x plus y greater than equal to 8 and x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Okay, these two equations. Now consider 2x plus y equal to 8. Okay, dividing both sides by 8. So 2x by 8, that is x by 4
2x by 8,
plus y by 8
y by 8
equal to 1.
equals to 1.
Okay, so x by 4 plus y by 8 equal to 1. And another equation, x plus 2y equal to 10. So dividing both sides by 10, x by 10
X by 10 plus y by 5
yes, y by 5 to the 10, so 5
equal to 1.
equal to 1 equal to 1. Okay, now draw x-axis and y-axis. Write x dashed, y dashed. O is the origin. Okay, so first line is x by 4 y by 8 equal to 1. x4 y 8 Okay. So this is 4. X4, Y8, and this is 8. Okay. Now join these 2 points. So this is x4, x by 4, y by 8 equal to 1. Now another equation is x10, y5, x10. Okay, suppose this is x10 and y5, y5, x10. Okay, now join these 2 points. Okay, so this line is 10 and 5, that is x plus 2y equal to 10. X plus 2y equal to 10. And another one is 2x plus y equal to 8. This is 2x plus y equal to 8. 2x plus y equal to 8. Okay. Now find its direction. So first line is 2x plus y. Now 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. Okay.
So 0 is greater than equal to 8, which is false.
0 y0, 0 greater than equal to 8. This is true or false? This statement is
The false.
False.
okay. And another equation is x plus 2y greater than equal to 10.
Greater than equal to 10, which means 0 is greater than equal to
0
10,
greater
which is
than equal to
false.
10, which is false,
Away from the origin.
This is also false. False statement. Okay. So both the lines, okay, are direction is away from the origin. No.
Away from the origin.
Both the lines. No. Okay. So this
Yes,
line,
sir.
this is the see. Okay. And another line also. Okay. See.
Yes.
Okay. This part is the common part. No. See.
Yes, sir.
Both the lines. Huh? This is the common part. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is clear. So this is the common part and this is the solution set.
Yes.
Okay. This was question number
Yes,
7.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
What is your
No,
question?
sir.
No, sir.
Understand? Everything, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.